Want to write proposals that get you faster yeses? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to write proposals that actually get results quickly. If you've ever found yourself waiting days or even weeks for a response to a proposal, you know how frustrating it can be. So let's cut through the fluff and dive into strategies that can change that. First, let's talk about understanding your client's needs. This is the foundation of any proposal that leads to a fast yes. If you're not addressing their real pain points or goals, the proposal is going straight to the trash. Before you even start writing, take the time to research and understand exactly what your client wants. If you're unsure, ask them. The more you align your proposal with their needs, the more likely they are to respond positively and quickly. Next, make your value clear. Right off the bat, clients don't want to waste time trying to figure out how your solution benefits them. Right at the start of your proposal, clearly state the problem you're solving and the value your solution brings. Be specific. This isn't the time to be vague. If you're solving a marketing issue, don't just say, "I'll help you increase sales." Instead, show how your strategy will improve their sales by 15% in 6 months. Another tip is to simplify your language. Proposals that are full of jargon or long-winded explanations are a quick way to lose a client's interest. Keep it straightforward. Use short, punchy sentences and avoid overcomplicating things. Your proposal should be easy to skim, even for the busiest person. Bullet points and bolded text are great for highlighting key details. Now, let's talk about speed and deadlines. One of the fastest ways to get a yes is to set clear, actionable next steps and deadlines. Let your client know when you can get started, what the timeline looks like, and when they can expect results. The key here is showing that you're organized and that you respect their time. Don't leave them guessing. Make it easy for them to say yes by removing any ambiguity. Personalize your proposals. To stand out, clients want to feel like you've put in the effort to understand their business. Avoid sending generic proposals that could apply to anyone. Use their company name, reference their specific goals, and show that you've tailored the solution to fit their needs. Personalization makes a big difference and helps you stand out from the competition. And don't forget about social proof. If you've worked with other clients who had similar challenges and you've delivered results, include that in your proposal. Testimonials, case studies, or even just mentioning that you've worked with similar companies can help build trust and credibility. Finally, keep it short and to the point. No one has time to read a 10-page proposal. If you want a faster yes, aim for brevity. Focus on the most important points and keep your proposal under 2 pages if possible. Every word should add value, so remove anything that doesn't directly contribute to the solution you're offering. To make all this even easier, we're using some great software in this tutorial to streamline the process. It's packed with tools to create professional proposals quickly and effectively. If you want to follow along and experience it for yourself, I've included a link in the description for an exclusive free trial. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Now, before we wrap up, let's go over the key takeaways from today's video. Write proposals that address the client's needs right away. Clearly communicate your value. Simplify your language. Set clear deadlines. Personalize your approach. And keep it short. With these steps, you'll write proposals that lead to faster yeses. And don't forget, check out the free trial of the software we've been using in the description below. It'll help you put everything we've talked about into action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.